2013 Kia Rio. So the problem with the door handle is that you've got once you get to a certain point here, you've actually got to give the door a pull to get it open. It doesn't open easy, not like the back one and the other side are all working properly. By the feel of it, it's like a brake cable, bike brake cable that adjusts it on the inside. I'm not too sure yet. Never pulled one apart before, but we're about to. So I've got a screw in here, a screw there, and a screw on the side that I'll be undoing. And I noticed there's a section under here where you can get a screwdriver in to pull that part there out. So first of all, I'm going to undo this handle and see if I can get the handle off separate first. Should be able to. And then yeah, taking those parts there out, the door cartridges come forward. You can see there's a little notch above the, well, hopefully you can see it. There's a little notch, that's where you put your little screwdriver just to hit that out, and you can get behind the cover to where the screws are. So that's the first cover off, exactly what I thought would happen. And simple as that. Like I said, screwdriver in the middle, underneath there, just to get that first pop out, and then just take the rest of it off. And that's a look inside there. Okay, so just feeling the inside of the car here, I've just got the bar from the door handle off. Just see that there. He was there. I'm just controlling that by hand, and if I shut the door and open it, opens perfectly fine. So between the handle and that, if there's an adjustment on that, I'm not too sure yet, but between the handle and that, there's not enough pressure pushing down, and that's why the door's hard to open. Getting the key chamber out is child's play. Just undo the screw that's in there, push it with your fingers from the back, the whole handle and everything pushes forward with it, and then you just hold the handle up or you take the key chamber out. That was simple as, probably the easiest one I've ever done. And getting the door handle out, it's just a matter of pulling it this way, and out she comes. Okay, with the door handle out, and you've got the arm in here that I'm about to pull against, and the door opens really easy. So what I'm going to look at is this part here. So the door, when it's opening, it's pulling against the inside of this here. So I'm going to see if I can add some padding to that. So there's a bit more leverage on the handle, and should fix that problem up. Okay, so looking on in here, you can see where the wear and tear on this door handle is. If you sort of focus for me. So that's where I'm going to put the build up, and I'm going to use a small bit of rubber. It's probably about 3mm thick, and double-sided Tarzan grip. This stuff is really good. Once you put this on, nothing comes off, and that should resolve the problem. Simple as that. A little bit of pack in there, the double-sided tape. I just wrapped the double-sided tape that was access around. I could trim it off, but it's really neither here or there. It's not going to interrupt anything. There you go, like I bought one, Door trim, everything back on, everything's functioning properly. This whole job probably took me about 15 minutes just to do a quick simple fix like that. Till next time guys, cheers.